How to use Microsoft Excel formulas on mobile. Firstly, on your device, open App Store or Google Play Store. Go to the search bar on the top and search for Excel. When you do that, then you will see this app called Microsoft Excel. If you haven't installed it, then install it to your device, and if you have installed it, then look for updates. Once you update the app, open the app. Now sign in or log into your account. Let me set my account properly. Once you set your account, you will land to the recent page. At the top right corner, click on the plus icon. Select the first one called blank workbook. Double click on any cell to start typing. You can use all the formulas on your mobile app. Now just to show you guys, I'm gonna add these two cells. To add formulas, firstly enter equal to. Now select the cell which you would like to add. Now click plus, then click on the other cell. And just like that, two cells has been added. If you change any of the numbers on the cell, then the output will change. This is because the formula applies to all the value that's in the cell. By the same way, you can apply other formulas also. That's all for today. Thank you.